In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning and personalized graphic design using Canva, step by step. So whether you're designing for a project, social media, or just for fun, follow along and let's get creative together. First, let's start by opening Canva. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and log in. Once in, you'll see Canva's dashboard, chock full of design possibilities. Now, let's focus on creating a fun pattern. To do that, click on Elements located in your toolbar on the side. In the search bar, type in Doodle Hearts Pattern. Scroll through the available options until you find a design that suits your taste. Keep in mind the choice is all yours, so pick one that sparks joy and creativity. Once you've chosen your design, it's time to make it the star of your background. Click to select it and then duplicate the pattern so it covers the entire canvas properly. Having a seamless background adds a delightful touch. After perfecting your background, download the image to your device. This will be essential for the next steps. Now, head back to your Canva project and click Delete on the page with the old design. This will clear our space for new elements. Go ahead and upload the image you just downloaded by using the Upload button. It should be in your recent downloads. Let's explore more tools by clicking on Apps from the side menu and typing in Front Frame. This allows us to create personalized text elements for your design. Start by typing your desired or thematic text. As you input your text, Canva will let you play around with different fonts available. Choose one that matches your overall design aesthetic, and once happy with it, increase the letter spacing slightly. This can enhance readability and style. Next up, click the image and select Use Selected Image. This will add it to your current design working area. You'll want to delete any previous images you used to keep the canvas clean and focused. Resize the text to ensure it fits well within your design and maintains clarity. Once the text and size are to your liking, switch gears by clicking Edit found in the toolbar. You're now diving into the shadows effects. Select Outline and change its color to white. This outline will make your text pop beautifully against the pattern background. Afterwards, download your newly designed image with the transparent background option to maintain a clean look. Make sure to delete older versions showing in your design space to keep it organized. Upload the newly edited version and open Edit again. This time, apply shadow and select outline, but now decrease the size for a subtle three-dimensional effect. Download it again to capture your hard work. Upload this new version too. Should there be any remaining backgrounds, remove them to emphasize your personalized design. Now choose any background you desire. Change its tone using Edit, then select Duotone and hit Custom to pick any color that complements your design beautifully. Congratulations, this creation is the final result. Thank you for following along.